about Raila, who wanted to be something, and William Ruto, who wants to survive. Indeed, if that is the case, if Raila wanted the job and felt he would lose and come back here so that he joins President William Ruto's government, and therefore Kenya will become stable, my position is very simple. So long as you continue doing things the way you are doing them, the country will not be stable. When we were talking about what are the issues in Sudan, look at what you're having at KICC today. One group is at KICC parading themselves, and you are insensitive to the issues that we are supposed to be the arbiters of two people who are fighting on the African continent. When we are talking about Congo, the reality, my brother Cherargei, is that we have a region which is affected by illegal mineral mining, by countries that are feeling incredibly insecure. You have Western powers who have an interest in managing what is happening in Congo. And the reality is we just laugh at it. So when M23 are coming to Nairobi to come and have a meeting here with our president, the simple fact that they came here put everybody onto suspicion mode.
Just a minute, Senator Onyonka. There is a point of order from Senator Mandago.
Honorable Speaker, I've heard Senator Onyonka say M23 are coming to Nairobi. I don't know whether it's confusing.
I said when they came. I said when they came. I know you don't know. When they came, M23 came to Nairobi, met our president, they launched themselves here. What did you expect President Kagame to do? What did you expect him to do? When information is coming out that all these groups are meeting around Nairobi, and we are not careful.
There is a point of order still from...
I was just wondering whether
from Senator Mandago.
The operations of Parliament have changed. Can Senator Onyonka provide evidence that M23 indeed came to Nairobi, met the president, and launched themselves here? I think it's a dangerous statement to be allowed to go on record without evidence.
Substantiate. What question are you asking me? That? Mr. My Chair Health, what I said was this. Anytime when you have these groups that are fighting in the East African region, and one of them appears to be in Nairobi, what it happens is it creates a destabilization which sometimes is imaginary, and yet the expectation is just like South Sudan. When the earlier group, or when the first group that was against the government came to Nairobi and they met.
Onyonka, let me give you some direction.
Yes.